Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Our 16 Ram 2500. A few rock chips up here. It's a bigger scratch up there. Looks like something probably come across there. Chrome bumper on this one. This has the chrome package. 6.4 in it, heavy duty. Nerf bars. Still a Tradesman package. 114,924. Has four-wheel drive, has your tow, of course your power group, power windows and locks, 2 keys, back seat's all in good shape, interior really no issues, isn't all beat up at all. Said box side looks good, as you can see, no big dents, tailgate's in good shape. Looks like they backed into one thing. Looks like they hardly threw anything in the bed. The bed's in really good shape for a 3/4 ton work truck. Backed into the bumper right there. Said rock chip here and there. Few lighter scratches, but boy, pretty decent truck. Isn't rusty, come from out in the middle of the state. Nice solid truck. Comes with our 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive warranty. Drivetrain, suspension, steering, fuel, AC, electrical. Best coverage anybody's going to give you on a used vehicle. So if you're looking for a work truck, this is a short box, 6.5-foot box. Give us a call, 605-692-7010.